Say hi. Say hi, Mimi. You gonna pull that down so you can smile? No. You pull it down? You all done? Say hi. No, all done. Say hi. Hi, Mimi. Say, I just want to say hi. Hope you're doing good. I'm about to go down for a nap. Say, I love you. What are you doing? Where's Aunt Lee? There she is. Where's Aunt Lee? Where'd she go? Peekaboo, there she is. Where's Aunt Lee? Where'd she go? Peekaboo, there she is. Where's Aunt Lee? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Peekaboo, there she is. Okay, say bye-bye, Mimi. Say, I'll see you soon. See you soon. Love you. You say love you?